Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stay positioned for dog airdrop. So this airdrop is mainly for Telegram users. So if you know you have been using Telegram for long, please make sure to check your dog allocation because this airdrop is mainly for those of you that have been using Telegram as a reward for your active participants in Telegram and some kind of activity. So I'm going to show you how to check how many dogs token you got from them, and I'm also going to show you how to increase your dog allocation for massive future rewards. So very soon guys, this project they are going to launch. I don't know when, but very soon they are going to launch. So I'm going to show you how to stay active on this airdrop and how to stay positioned. Alright guys, so I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. What you just need to do is to click on the link, then it's going to take you to Telegram. So once you click on the link and it brings you to Telegram, what you just need to do, you are going to see something like this: start, then you click on start. So wait for it to load. You are going to see something like this, then you click on let's go. Now you wait for it to read your account age verified, Telegram premium check. I'm not on premium, so I'm not going to get any allocation for premium. Then click continue. So elite member, you have joined Telegram 4 years ago. Your account number is blah blah blah. You are in the top 20 Telegram users. So you click continue. So this is the allocation of dog I got from the dog team. So thank you for your time on Telegram. So click continue. Then see, so this is the allocation I got. So if you click on join, so let's just join their community. Yeah, so this is what you just need to do. You can see their leadership board. So you can click on friends to get your invite link and send it to your friends that you know have been on Telegram for long. So I'm going to drop my link at the description of this video. For those of you watching this video for the first time, please make sure to use my link. Alright, so this is what you need to do as a time of making this video. So the more you invite, the more you'll increase. So if you know anybody that have been on Telegram for long, or anybody that is using Telegram, send your link to them so that at least, even though they are not going to be serious with it, at least you can get some reward for them. Or better still, if they are not that type that normally believe in airdrop or crypto, you can just send them your link, then check the allocation. Then anytime the project is to launch, you have to get something. So please guys, don't expect much thing from this project. Please don't expect much thing from this project, but I'm sure the higher your point, that is the higher your dog point, the higher the allocation, because normally projects like this normally launch as shitcoin. But I'm not trying to downgrade the project, but let's just wait until the listing dates. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.